This is how internet search evolved in 2025. The traditional list of blue links is gone, replaced by a single synthesized AI response. 63% of all searches now end without a single click. Users are getting their information directly from the search interface, rather than visiting individual websites. Models like ChatGPT and Perplexity build these answers using data from sources they can easily crawl and verify. They prioritize information that is already formatted for machine reading. We are currently in an 18-month window. This is the period during which AI citation algorithms select and lock in their default sources for specific industries. If an AI engine cannot extract your data, it will not cite you. In this landscape, a brand that isn't cited by the model effectively ceases to exist for the user. EarthCam has a massive digital footprint, 4,000 web pages and 500 million annual views. This volume was built for the previous era of search, where keyword relevance was the primary metric. That audience is split across 5 domains: earthcam.com, .net, TV, MyEarthCam, and HQ. They share no unified SEO. Because this data is fragmented, AI cannot easily verify it. In 47 queries about construction cameras, EarthCam received 0 citations. EarthCam holds decades of job site history and visual data, but without a unified structure, the AI models are unable to see or credit that archive. This is the flip. EarthCam is already supported by a massive network of creators. It just hasn't provided the tools for them to be recognized. Every tourist who shares a link to a Times Square camera feed is acting as a distributor for the brand. When a project manager posts a time-lapse screenshot to LinkedIn to show progress on a job site, they are generating professional content. The audience is already producing and sharing the data. The current infrastructure just fails to make those contributions visible to the AI systems that now summarize the web. To an AI model, a video feed is opaque. To cite a source, the model requires structured text and specific data claims it can parse instantly. EarthCam can bridge this gap by implementing schema markup and an LLMs.txt file. Schema is a code protocol that tells search engines exactly what a piece of data represents, and LLMs.txt acts as a map specifically for AI crawlers. This architecture allows an AI to scan a page, verify a project's details, and present a direct citation link to the user. This technical shift converts raw video views into the verified data points that AI engines use to answer questions. There is also a major gap in local visibility. EarthCam currently misses 40,000 regional queries every month because it lacks a specific search presence in the cities where its cameras are actually located. The strategy involves building local entity networks, city-specific landing pages, and business profiles across 50 major metropolitan areas. By anchoring its presence to these geographic data points, EarthCam appears as the primary recommendation for construction technology in each local market. This captures high-intent traffic that currently goes to smaller regional competitors or general rental companies. EarthCam currently relies on borrowed attention from browser taps. When a user closes their browser, the connection to EarthCam ends. A native mobile app provides a permanent home for the 500 million viewers. It converts anonymous traffic into an owned audience. The app uses push notifications for project milestones and personalized alerts to keep users engaged without relying on a search engine for re-entry. Turning anonymous viewers into registered users creates a verifiable data asset that can be used for enterprise partnerships and direct monetization. The execution plan is a 90-day sprint. The first month is dedicated to technical auditing and applying the foundational schema to high-priority pages. Days 31 through 60 focus on publishing authority pages optimized for AI extraction and deploying the local entity network in major metros. The final phase involves launching the mobile app and monitoring the lift in AI citations across all major models. This timeline allows EarthCam to establish itself as a primary source before AI systems prioritize earlier indexed competitors. The goal is to move from 5 disconnected websites to a single unified data ecosystem. Every tourist, streamer, and project manager instantly becomes an interconnected node within a massive structured knowledge base. By mapping these interactions through schema and the mobile app, EarthCam ensures that every shared link and AI-generated answer identifies the specific project and the original source of the data.